We are working on GMetrix Word Project Review 2. We're on the Page 2 section. The first task wants us to go ahead and add an image to the document. It says on the second page, second column, below the heading Jack in the Pulpit. So we're going to put our cursor right here underneath. We'll go to the Insert tab. We're in the Illustrations group. We'll select Pictures. We'll map to our GMetrix Templates folder, and what we want to select is Jack in the Pulpit. It tells us that we need to have a height of 3.67. So with that selected, we have the Picture Tools Format tab here at the top. We're in the Size group, and we'll start with the height. We'll go ahead and type in 3.67. We'll hit Enter. I went ahead and changed the width to 2.75, which is what we want. We'll scroll back up to our second page here. And what we want to do is change the text wrap to top and bottom. So with that selected, we have this layout options box, and what we want to select is top and bottom. We'll go ahead and mark that that task is complete. This task wants us to go ahead and apply the metal oval to this picture. With that selected, we're in the Pictures Tools Format tab. We're in the Picture Styles. We'll click this More drop down. And what we want is a metal oval. If you're not sure, make sure you hover before you select the style. We'll go ahead and mark that that task is complete. This task wants us to go ahead and apply a heading 1 style to this text right here. And it gives us the full line. So we'll select that and select heading 1. We'll check that that task is completed. This task wants us to go ahead and create a bookmark for this heading. We'll go ahead and select this. We'll go to the Insert tab here at the top. In the Links group, we'll select Bookmark. And we'll go ahead and type that name. It's all caps. And we'll go ahead and click Add. We'll check that that task is completed. This task wants us to go ahead and add an endnote to the text Jack in the Pulpit. So what we'll do is we'll put our cursor here right after the word. We'll go to the References tab here at the top. We'll go ahead and select Insert Endnote. And it wants us to go ahead and add the text also known as Indian Turnip. So we'll type that. It also wants us to go ahead and change the number format from I to ABC. What we can do is click the Footnotes dialog launcher box here. And in the format, we can change it from the I's to the lowercase ABC. We'll go ahead and click Apply. And notice it went ahead and changed that. And it also did so here, right after the title. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task.